Alright, I've already walked this thing once, so now I'm going to drive it. House is here. Supposedly this vault goes all the way down the road. And so far I've pulled the string down the road, and now I pulled the string here. So if it's tight against the pipes, I found my way to pull it. Work order says 890 feet, so that's without the dips and the conduit though, so I'm guaranteeing it's over 1,000 feet. There's really no place to park out here either. Oh yeah, FedEx is coming. And my string is tight. It's those two orange pipes on the outside. I pulled it out a little bit and I pulled it back in mine, so one of those is what I need. Whoever installed that one went straight in without following the service loop here. Oh yeah, I forgot. It's a little taller than I'm used to. Does it spin? Alright. That water is freezing. Man, I just got a feeling this is going to tangle real bad. Where's my tape at? What the hell's going on here? Need to get a motor or a drill and a spool. I have to 3D print that. Oh, I think I made it. Let's crack it open. See what we got. Straight in the tray. Super Tech's out here. Oh man. Somewhere there looks good. Split this open. Whew. I just thought I was pulling now. Shit, am I going the wrong way? Yeah, I should be going that way. Rose through black. So rose and then aqua is the last of the 12ers. Last of the color scheme. Looks good to me. What are you doing? .01. If I do that quick, I can edit all that out in one stab. Yeah, I'm still looking for an audio box to not pick up so much of these high popping noises. I use that bucket to save that string. Usually I don't save the tape, the mule tape pull string, but it's a nice long consecutive run. And I gotta pick it up anyway, so let's start. But yeah, if you just let it fall in the bucket, it'll come out the same way. Same as chains. So if you ever had chain that goes in and out of something and you don't want it tangled up, this would keep your chain from tangling also. Volt. Wick. Oh, cloud. Alright. So I should be aqua in the range of 119 to 128. 119, yep. So yeah, I would be aqua 120. So there was one person in there. Clean out the one shot. And give me a connector. Is there no better way for this? So we ended up with, it was only 900 feet, 1,153 left. Now I gotta get under, well, sidewalk and under the vault. I don't even know how much I need, so I might as well start with the sidewalk. There's a property stake, I would think. Never see one on the ground. Utilities are here. Seems pretty high, but maybe not. Is that how high it is? Yeah, I won't chop it until I go inside. Either way, I can go through the brick. The customer. I was here a little bit early and I did talk to him when they walked out, but we didn't look at the house yet. But that would be a good plan to go there. Oh, that's butter. Perfect. Well, it was butter. It still froze. Yeah, it's gonna need the axe. Pop the top a little bit. Bring it down a speed. Shove some mud right in that transmission. There we go. I want to come out perfectly at the bottom. Can't tell if I made it or not. Whew. That's cold water. Man, that is brutal. There, yep, I am above everyone, but I need to be under, yeah, under that one. Get some heat on the meat here. I read that as Are you dry yet? Dry enough, I guess. I gotta help it under there. So close. There we go. Yeah, it usually stays on there. I gotta bring all of that out and then put it all onto the sidewalk. Almost went to the ground. Ooh. Okay. And I need to come through with the gas line and whatever power line that is. Oh. So if I come over one drill bit, I'll be safe at that level. Okay. Even come up a little bit if I want to, but I think that ledge is in the way. Well, that makes it a little more difficult. So 1, 2, 3 might be what I want, but is it in the mess of wiring that's right here? I'm gonna go look. So I needed to stop before I get into that channel, or I could just measure over from the power that way. Maybe that makes sense. Well, over here. Alright, there's 1, 2. Just under 3 works though. So I think I'm just gonna go for that. just under 3. Yeah. 1. 6 foot, no. Need at least a 25. Alright, there's a 25. 25, house box. Shovel, I don't know. We'll see. There's a 1, a 2, 3. So yeah, looks pretty good right there anyway. If I want to go there, no, I can go a little higher, yeah. Give the smell. Am I burning wood yet? Feels pretty solid. But I'm not burning wood. Or am I? Maybe it was wood. There we go. And 25-foot armored white something. Yeah, that is what it is. Will it go in the hole easily? It is kind of stiff, but I feel this is a long jump. Yeah. I feel like it went inside the sub wall. This one might be one to tape on a I think I got it that time. Leave it over there for now. So I need to bring my line, low. Where is this house box gonna go? It's not gonna look pretty flipping up. Do I put it low? Might as well. I'm already here. What do I have? For a drill bit. Seems big. I must have a different one in here. Yeah, must be that one. Does it have a size? It's a Bosch 3/16. And I'm just going to do 2 here. Crisscross, yeah, I like that. So 1 there. one here. Make it a little skinnier to get the last piece in. Perfect. Where's my Phillips? I'm actually going to use those. Alright. Use them at your own risk. Or do we want to use... Might as well use these. Since I've seen it in here anyway. Maybe I got a couple of them. So yeah, it looks like I will bring my shovel over and get a little deep over here. Don't need any of those. Well, I'm gonna put one more in here. Where's it gonna stay? Yeah, ain't nobody messing around over here. It's fine. Like, alright, well, I'm gonna keep moving here so I can talk on the camera.
Oh, I forgot you're recording.
Yeah, well, they've seen me do the house box plenty, so I didn't give a fuck here.
Alright, sounds good.
Yep, later. What am I doing? Yes, you. Jeez, I'm almost at 4 hours already. But I did wait for 30 minutes for the customer to come home. It's a little long, so just gonna chop it up a little bit. So the splice tube lands right there. Just need to chop, well, yeah, about right there. Junk gas power button. Find the wet spot. tube. And leaving this open on your dashboard definitely helps it from curling up on you. Looks like it's a bit forward. It might accept it. What is crooked? It says this one's crooked. .01, but it looks so perfect. I don't see nothing on there. Oh no. Cardboard got me. And it timed out. Sitting at an angle. There you go. Okay. Ah. Timed out right when it's supposed to do a pull test. Whew, a little too melty. Pull it straight. Make sure it doesn't get any bends while cooling. Alright. Wrap you up. Not the prettiest one, but nobody's in here anyway, but the one tech that may have to service this or may not have to service this. Alright, whatever. I'm done kneeling down here. Why are you out? There you go. Now they're requesting everyone clean these. Okay. Why do I keep doing shit like that? Oh, should have put it through here first. Also, Why are you being a piece of crap? Yeah, that works. So which one? Not the bent one. Well, put you over there for now. Maybe not. I need to push the stuff back in. Yeah, I didn't do that. So, you are my friend. You are my friend. And we'll stick these together. Because this should be my last thing, since I have to wait for my modem to, my ONT ONU to update. Shouldn't be doing this right now, but I want to walk upstairs one more time when I just gotta be done. Put on that piece. Red dot is here, red dot is here. Okay, red dot on the other side. Let's see my level, then we'll clean it. Level's 15. Yeah, it doesn't really get much prettier.